Imagine walking into an Apple store right now and trying to buy their brand new $599 MacBook. You cannot do it. It is completely sold out almost everywhere you look. For the last 2 months, everyone just assumed this was because of massive consumer demand. People thought it was just a huge hit. But we just got our hands on some leaked manufacturing reports, and the truth is shocking. It turns out there is a massive crisis happening right now behind closed doors in Cupertino. Apple is literally bleeding money on these budget laptops. It is a huge problem. Their emergency backup plan is going to force them to release a brand new MacBook Neo before the end of the year. Let us dive into the absolute wild success of the original MacBook Neo. When this thing dropped, it completely annihilated the budget PC market. I mean, for $499 with a student education discount, you are getting a remarkably solid Apple machine. It is a really great deal. Sure, it only has 8 GB of RAM. The screen does not have promotion. The keyboard does not even light up at night. But regular buyers simply do not care about that stuff. It is exactly half the price of a standard MacBook Air. Plus, it has that shiny Apple logo on the back. It looks premium. People love it. But unfortunately, Apple made the device a little too good. It just backfired on them in the worst way possible. To understand the sheer panic happening at Apple right now, let us take a look at the chips. We need to see exactly how Taiwan Semiconductor builds the A18 Pro chips. You might remember this exact silicon from the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. It is very fast. Normally, these chips are printed with a premium 5-core graphics setup. But creating microscopic 2nm silicon is definitely not a perfect science. Things go wrong. Sometimes the factory messes up. One of those graphics cores just dies on the assembly line. It is broken. Normally, a tech company might just scrap the broken chips. They throw them away. But Apple is way too smart for that. They decided to take all of those defective chips. These are the ones with only 4 working cores. They throw them straight into the new MacBook Neo. It was supposed to be the ultimate cost-saving measure. They get to recycle their broken iPhone chips. We get a ridiculously cheap laptop. It is a massive win for everybody. But here is where the supply chain leaks get absolutely crazy. The Neo sold so unbelievably fast. Apple completely ran out of their defective chips. Yes, you heard that right. They literally ran out of their own recycled trash. So now what happens? According to incredibly reliable industry insiders, Apple is facing a massive disaster. They are being forced to manufacture brand new, totally perfect A18 Pro chips. And then they actually have to permanently disable one of the working graphics cores on purpose. They break a perfect chip just to put it inside the budget Neo. It is an absolute manufacturing nightmare. They are spending premium money to make a budget product. This is severely destroying their profit margins. It makes zero financial sense. Tim Cook is definitely not going to let Apple lose money for long. He is a business genius. The leaked documents show exactly how they are going to fix this mess. Get ready to say goodbye to the base model. It is gone forever. Apple is reportedly killing off the incredibly cheap version with the standard lock button entirely. Moving forward, they are only going to manufacture the upgraded model. That is the version that comes with 512 GB of storage and a proper Touch ID sensor. They can still maintain a healthy profit margin on that specific configuration. That model makes them real money. But wait, there is more. Apple knows they cannot just quietly raise the entry price of their most popular budget laptop. That would make the fans absolutely furious. People would be very angry. So, they are planning a massive distraction. The reports indicate Apple is going to relaunch the laptop completely. They are going to rebrand it as the MacBook Neo SE. And to make sure nobody complains about the higher price tag, they are bringing in some seriously gorgeous new colors. They want to blind everyone with shiny new paint. We do not have the exact shades yet. But my sources point to some exclusive finishes. they want to make the Neo look like a totally brand new generation. It is honestly a genius PS. Ecological trick. Apple knows that most regular consumers just want the newest, shiniest thing on the shelf. If you slap a new letter on the box and paint it ocean blue, people will happily pay extra. I see the hardcore tech fans in my comments all the time. You guys are making the exact same argument. You always say, why would anyone buy a Neo when you can grab a refurbished M2 MacBook Air for the same price? The older Air has a backlit keyboard. It has much better battery life. From a pure spec sheet perspective, you guys are completely right. But Apple knows the average buyer does not care about benchmark scores. They do not want to hunt down refurbished deals on eBay. They just want to walk into an Apple store, point at the pretty new color, and leave with a fresh warranty. In my absolute best opinion, this upcoming Neo SE is still going to sell like crazy. Even with the sneaky price jump, the overall value is still very decent for normal users. The Apple ecosystem is just too sticky for most people to leave. Even with a higher price tag, people will buy it just for the new colors and the Apple logo. The raw performance from that A18 Pro chip is still fantastic for daily tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, and doing schoolwork. It is entirely overpowered for what it is. Plus, knowing that you actually have a perfect chip inside that was manually disabled is kind of a funny piece of tech history. You are literally holding a premium part forced to act like a budget part. I really think the strategy will work flawlessly for Apple. They will recover their profit margins and the average consumer will feel like they are getting a brand new colorful model. It is a complete win for Apple's bank account. So, this is where we are at right now. The era of the true $500 MacBook might already be ending. This is happening just 2 months after it started. But I want to hear from you guys on this one. Do you think Apple is making the right move by killing the base model to save their profits? If they drop a MacBook Neo SE with Touch ID and a crazy new color, would you actually buy it over an older MacBook Air? Drop all of your hot takes down in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.